Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is blackberries. We'll be making blackberry and coconut poletta and goat cheese salad with blackberries and membrillo. Hello, how are you?
Hi, Chef. How are you?
Welcome.
Good to see
Pleasure. Nice to be here.
Yeah, let's get started.
You ready to get going?
Yeah, you have some
Okay.
exciting things for us today.
This is such a simple recipe. We're just going to put coconut milk into the blender, some fresh blackberries, and a little bit of simple syrup. Blend it smoothly. Didn't take very long.
Very
This
simple, yeah.
is really the key is finding this kind of popsicle mold.
Doctor, at what age would you introduce blackberries?
You can introduce them as early as 6 to 8 months.
Okay.
And make sure that they are accustomed to chewing their foods. It's a great time to get them to introduce to different flavors so that it helps to improve their palates as they grow.
And it's very helpful for skin as well.
Absolutely. There's a lot of antioxidants which help with your skin and would help your immune system to help protect against illnesses.
Fill the molds up pretty easily. I have this top. I've got some wooden popsicle sticks, and this mold is really nice because it just fits right in. So I'm going to put this in the freezer.
Great. What nutritional value do blackberries have?
Children are notorious for not having enough fiber in their diet, so blackberries do have a lot of fiber. It's great for their digestion. It's also a great sweet snack, like Chef said. So you can introduce it as a dessert or something sweet without extra sugar.
What are we doing in the blender?
We're going to make a blackberry and membrillo vinaigrette. So we've got some blackberries, membrillo, which is also known as Quince Paste. I have orange juice in the blender, some champagne vinegar, and we're just going to blend this up. So I'm going to add some olive oil to this as well. So we have a Teflon pan getting nice and hot. So this is called caña de cabra, which is basically a firm goat cheese from Spain. We're just gonna put it into the pan. I got some beautiful mixed greens here. I'm just gonna put on the plate. I got a little bit of color on that. Yeah. Just wanted to get some color on it. It goes right into the plate. And then we're just garnishing this with our vinaigrette, kind of fresh blackberries, and we also have gooseberries as well.
Blackberries do have a decent amount of magnesium as well. It's a great mineral that you can introduce to your diet. It helps with your blood pressures. It helps with your muscles.
Yeah. Now we talked about it for kids, but how about pregnant mothers?
Yeah, it's always great to help with your blood pressures, especially if you have chances of having high blood pressures in your pregnancies.
What did you sprinkle on there?
So just a little bit of toasted Marcona almonds.
Looks fantastic.
Really tasty. We're gonna unmold our palettas. I'm just gonna take a little bit of warm water and unmold it. Won't take very long.
So tell me a little bit more about the nutrients that are in blackberries.
So you have a great source of antioxidants. They have flavonoids, which help with your immune system, helps with your cell structure.
That looks good.
So that's the paleta. I have a little bit of sweetened condensed milk.
This looks great. Shall we try it?
Sure.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
It's like a creamy with a crispy because of the grains. So good.
Yeah.
All right, let's try this. That's amazing. My kids would love those.
Oh, for sure.
So good.
Yeah, the coconut and the blackberry just really
Go well
sing
together, yeah.
and then
That's so
the sweetened condensed milk adds just a little bit of sweetness.